Welcome back inside the homestead. We've got to take care of something really today, like right now. I have to do it, and the girls are going to help me. What are you guys going to help me do, Ariel?
Plant vegetables!
Yay! That's right, we've got to get these seeds started now. We were so far behind on the garden. We were so far behind on those potatoes and onions, and now we're behind on getting these seedlings started. We got tomatoes, we've got eggplant, we've got peppers. All those need to get started now because, well, the tomatoes don't take long to germinate, but those eggplants and peppers take forever. So these girls are gonna give me a hand inside here. They love planting. We're gonna plant all these things today and get these seedlings started, and I'm gonna show you our little grow station inside the house. Okay, so we've been blessed with this potting soil. It has been here for about 10 years, but I'll tell you who it's from. It's from the 2 owners ago, and they left it, and they used to have a professional greenhouse operation here on our property, so I think it's pretty good stuff. I've been using it. It seems to germinate the seeds really well. It's getting old, but I don't think that should affect it. It hasn't affected it so far. But we've got that blessing. So we've got our determinate and indeterminate tomatoes. We've got our eggplants, all of our peppers, lots of different peppers here. And we've got our squash, which I'm also gonna start because those need to go in early into the garden around March 15 here in our zone. And it's mostly March 15 to March 21st for the rest of these. So they have got to get growing, and we got to get these things big. All right, girls, can you start filling up these little cups here?
Yes, Dad.
All right, we're gonna fill up these little peat moss cups. Fill up those cups, and we'll start planting. I think we're going to be cleaning up dirt off the floor.
I can't do that. You can.
Okay, you do that one, I'll do this one. How's that sound? Okay, so you see I've got several different types of trays to plant in. I really like these peat cups. I've had these for years, and what the cool thing about these peat cups is they retain moisture, and they hold the moisture a lot longer than something that's plastic. I know the plastic holds it in, but it tends to drain down a lot, and these stay nice and soaking wet for a while, which is cool. But I've got different ones because I don't have a whole ton of peat cups anymore. They get destroyed actually when you plant, or you try to pull them out of there and you plant them in, or you can just kind of rip the bottom off them and plant the whole thing in the ground, which is pretty cool. We've got the plastic ones. We got some bigger plastic. You saw these things here. We got these square ones. Those work okay. No problem with those. Tomatoes over here. We're gonna start with tomatoes. Tomatoes. You want to start with peppers? You like peppers, don't you? Yeah, okay.
I love peppers too.
Well, hold on a sec. So we've got our determinate and indeterminate, and we need to keep those straight because we need to keep them straight. That's what the reason is. All right, let's go determinate on this side, indeterminate on this side. So these right here, determ. See that? Determ. We need these on this side only. See this half over here?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, you get it? Okay, you get it. We've also got some determinate cherry tomatoes here that I've saved the seeds. So, what are we gonna do first? We're gonna put them in there, just 1 to 2, each one. That's all, 1 or 2 seeds, that's all. How many did you take? You know?
3.
Okay, so put a third one there.
Can I put the seeds in the hole?
Yes, of course. Let's do it.
Okay.
Can you put those 2? And put them in that one right there. This one right here. Put them in there. Can you get it? Okay, put that one in there too. Yeah, good job. Okay. Oh no! I thought I had more of those. We're all out! Oh!
Let's use
Okay.
some other ones.
Okay, well, we're out of those.
Yay!
These are yummy.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Here.
My favorite.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, put 2 in that one. Right there. Put 2 of them in that one. Okay.
Yay!
Yeah, here. Can you put this one right here on this corner? Right in the side. Right there.
Dad, there are not so many tomatoes here.
I know, they're expensive, and I don't know why they're expensive. But that's just the way they are. Can you make little holes in the center like that for both of these rows right here?
Yes, Daddy.
All right, thank you so much.
There. I make a hole, Dad.
Good job. Just these 2 rows, right? Because we already have tomatoes on this side, right? Okay.
These 2? Here.
This one, this row right here, and this row right there. How many
see
is
that?
One?
Somebody's in the bathroom.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
When you were gone, Mommy snuck home.
Snuck home.
Yeah, Mommy's home. Oh, I think I'm losing my worker. Where are you going?
Go say hi. I'm gonna go say hi.
Okay, here, put 2. Put 2 in that one. Ting.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Ping tung. All right, we've got everything planted that we want to get planted indoors. We're gonna move them over to our grow lights under our shelf in our south-facing window. Let's go put them under there. I'm gonna get them growing. Well, we got everything set up. I kind of had to turn the lights off so you could see me. Those lights that I bought are really powerful and they worked incredibly well last year. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description below because they're really great and they're not that expensive at all. 35 bucks a pop. They're LED grow lights and they're pretty cool. Thanks to the girls for helping. They're usually really helpful, but sometimes the help only lasts like 5 or 10 minutes, but that's kids, right? We've got a lot of great gardening videos coming up on the channel because this is the time to get everything done for the spring, especially down here in Zone 8B. So make sure you're paying attention to your planting schedule and when you're supposed to start everything indoors. Go check out these videos. That's our playlist for our gardening and orchard videos. There's a lot of great information in there and I believe it'll be helpful for you. Don't forget, go check us out on countrylivingexperience.com and have a great day.
And see you on the next video.